Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Astronautics. So in this video we will discuss about the part 3 of cpet 2022 physics question. So let's begin, and here is the first question of the session, that is, the de Broglie wavelength is equal to the quantum wavelength of a particle. The speed of the particle will be, and here the options are c by 2, c by root 2 and c by root 3. So let's see what will be its answer. And here is the solution. You can find that de Broglie wavelength is equal to h by mv. So by putting the value of m, that is m naught by 1 minus v square c square root over, and the Compton wavelength is given by h by m naught c. So by equating these two equations and solved it, we can found that the velocity will be c by root 2. So the answer is c by root 2. Then the condition of particle equilibrium is, and the options are equality in temperature, equality in pressure, equality of chemical potential, equality in entropy. And we know that the condition of a particle equilibrium is equality of chemical potential. Then two capacitors of a capacitance C1 is equal to 3 microfarad and C2 is equal to 6 microfarad arranged in series are connected in parallel with the third capacitor C3 is equal to 4 microfarad. The arrangement is connected to a 6.0 volt battery. Calculate the total energy stored in the capacitors. And here the options are 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule, 1.9 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule, 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule, and 1.08 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule. Here is the solution. First, two capacitors of capacitance C1 is equal to 3 microfarad and C2 equal to 6 microfarad arranged in series. So from these two capacitors we can found that the final capacitor will be capacitance will be C1 C2 by C1 plus C2, that is equal to 2 microfarad. Then when these capacitance connected in parallel with the third capacitor C3 is equal to 4 microfarad, the total capacitance will be 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6 microfarad. And again the arrangement is connected to a 6.0 volt battery, and we know that the total energy stored in the capacitors is equal to half Cv square. So by putting all these values we can found that the energy will come out to be 1.08 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule. So the final answer is 1.08 into 10 to the power minus 4 joule. Then in which type of process the change in entropy is 0? And here the options are isotropic, isochoric, adiabatic and isobaric. And the answer, we all know that in adiabatic process the change in entropy is 0. Then the electric field at a distance 0.05 meter from a set charge distribution of surface charge density 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb per meter square will be. And here the options are 0.11 into 10 to the power 4 volt per meter, 0.18 into 10 to the power 4 volt per meter, 0.22 into 10 to the power 4 volt per meter, 0.32 into 10 to the power 4 volt per meter. And here is the solution, that we all know that for a plate surface charge, if the surface charge density is given, the electric field is given by sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So by putting the value we can found it as 0.11 into 10 to the power 4 volt per meter. So the answer will be 0.11 into 10 to the power 4 volt per meter. Then the number of ways in which n identical bosons can be distributed in two energy levels each, and the options are n plus 1, n minus 1, n plus 1 by 2 and n minus 1 by 2, and here the answer will be n plus 1. Then which one of the following is fermion? And options are alpha particle, beryllium nucleus, hydrogen atom and electron. And here is the solution, that we all know that for fermions the spin should be half integral multiple. So let's see what will be for alpha, beryllium, hydrogen and electron. So for alpha particle it would be half into 2 plus half into 2, and here this 2 and 2 are the number of protons and number of neutrons, that is coming out to be 2. For beryllium, that is half into 4 plus half into 4, that is 4. And for hydrogen atom it would be half into 1 into half into 1, that is 1. And for electron we know that it would be half. So by compare all this value, we can found that for electron it is half integral multiple. So the answer will be electron, and electron is the fermion. Then in quantum statistics the particles are, the options are identical and distinguishable, identical and indistinguishable, molecules only, and photons only. And the answer will be identical and indistinguishable. Then an alpha particle, each same age, sorry this is the typing mistake, each same age, and the options are a helium nucleus, a hydrogen nucleus, a proton and a positron. And we all know that alpha particle is equal to helium nucleus. Then nuclei having the same number of neutrons but a different mass number are, options are isotopes, isobars, isotones and isotopes. And the nuclei having the same number of neutrons are called the isotones. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So for more videos please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.